Hey, what's up gamers and tech lovers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We dive deep into all things mobile gaming and crazy gadgets. I'm Histransform, and today, oh man, we're talking about the beast that's about to drop, the Red Magic 11 Pro. Picture this, a phone that looks like it flew straight out of a sci-fi movie, cools like a gaming PC, and crushes every game you throw at it. Yeah, we're breaking down everything we know so far about this powerhouse. Stick around for the full scoop. This video is going to be packed with hype, details, and why you might want to save up for one. Let's jump in. First off, let's talk style, because come on, who doesn't want a phone that turns heads? The Red Magic 11 Pro is dropping in 4 killer color options. We've got the transparent deuterium silver wing. That's like a sleek, shiny wing that lets you see right through the back. Then there's the transparent deuterium dark night, all mysterious and edgy, perfect for those late night grind sessions. For the non-transparent fans, there's dark night. Think Batman vibes, super stealthy black. And Silverwing Aries, which screams warrior god with that metallic silver pop. But wait, the transparent ones, they're next level. You get this stunning rear design with a visible water cooling ring. Yeah, you heard that right. Blue coolant that looks like it's flowing inside, swirling around like some magical potion. It's not just looks, it's giving your phone that cyberpunk flair that'll make your friends jealous every time you pull it out at a LAN party. Dude, check this out. It's like the phone's alive. Okay, moving on to the build. Red Magic stays true to their roots here. The back panel, completely flat. No ugly camera bumps sticking out like on some other phones. It's smooth as butter, so it sits perfectly on your desk or in your hand without wobbling. And the front, a full edge-to-edge display with an under-display selfie camera. No notches or punch holes stealing your screen real estate. Just pure, immersive viewing, whether you're binging Netflix or dodging bullets in your favorite FPS. This design philosophy, it's all about that seamless experience. Red Magic gets it. Gamers don't want distractions, they want flow. And speaking of flow, let's get into the cooling system, because this is where the 11 Pro really flexes. All right, tech heads, buckle up. The Red Magic 11 Pro series is introducing a hybrid cooling system that's straight fire, pun intended. It combines active air cooling with internal water circulation. What does that mean in simple terms? Air cooling is like having a tiny fan blowing hot air away, and water cooling is liquid zipping through tubes to suck up the heat. Together, unstoppable. Powering this beast is the upgraded Wind 4.0 fan, spinning at up to 24,000 RPM. That's revolutions per minute, folks. Faster than a helicopter blade. Imagine that whirring away inside your phone, keeping temps low even during marathon sessions of Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile. But they didn't stop there. There's a patented Waterfall air duct. Think of it like a mini waterfall channeling cool air straight to the hotspots. And get this, IPX8 water resistance. That means you can dunk it in water up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes without a sweat. Spill your energy drink mid-game? No biggie. This thing's built tough for us clumsy gamers. I've drowned more phones than I can count. This might save me. Red Magic's product manager, James Chang, spilled the beans. This cooling tech takes smartphones a generation ahead of the competition. He's not wrong. While other phones throttle and overheat after 20 minutes, the 11 Pro, it'll keep pushing max performance like it's day one, setting new benchmarks for sure. But hey, power without brains is nothing. So what's under the hood? Drumroll, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. Qualcomm's latest and greatest. We're talking insane speeds, buttery graphics, and AI smarts that make everything snappier. Paired with that, an approximately 8,000 milliamp hour battery. That's huge. Easily lasts a full day of heavy gaming, streaming, and scrolling. No more hunting for outlets mid-tournament. Security's on point too. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It's like the iPhone's Face ID, but for your finger. Super accurate, works with wet hands or gloves. And the camera? Previous leaks say a 50 megapixel front cam. Selfies that pop, video calls where you look like a pro streamer. Not the main focus for a gaming phone, but hey, it's nice to have. Oh, and one more gem, a high-end touch control chip designed just for gaming. It boosts responsiveness, meaning taps register lightning fast, no lag, no ghost touches. Swipe, aim, fire, it all feels instant. Red Magic is basically turning your phone into a console in your pocket. So, why am I hyped? Because in a world of boring slabs, the 11 Pro is fun. It's got personality, that glowing coolant, the flat design, the roar of that fan. It's for us, the ones who live for that next level up, that clutch win. If you're into mobile esports or just love pushing tech to the limit, this could be your next daily driver. Now, pricing. We don't have official teats yet, but expect it in the premium range, worth every penny for what it packs. Launch date? It's official, October 17th, 2025 in China, so we're just days away. Start saving those V-Bucks. All right, squad, that's the lowdown on the Red Magic 11 Pro. What do you think? Is the water cooling gimmick or game changer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you want more leaks, reviews, or build guides, hit like and subscribe.